Oh shit. KP, man, I'm getting fancy now. I got my little remote. It makes it a little bit easier. Hey, well today, Friday, August 8th, the fire fact of the day. The fire fact of the day. Why you can retire in 10 years even if you're broke. You've been told you have to work for 40 years to retire. What if I told you you can get there in 10 even if you're starting from nothing? The myth is that you need a huge salary. The truth is you need a clear vision, a ruthless savings rate, and a plan. The goal of the cracked canvas community, inspired by people like Dion McNeely, isn't to just retire early, it's to find a path to financial freedom in 10 years or less, no matter what your starting point is. He started with $89,000 in bad debt and got there in 10 years. In my case, man, I have no debt at all, zero debt. I made sure of that. I got my credit good. I should be able to get there in less than 10 years if I follow directions. This is the journey we're all on together. Are you in? Use the hashtag FIRE to retire. Hashtag FIRE to retire to join the movement or just to support the channel. I sure would appreciate it. Hey, I really appreciate you all watching this week. Thank you for anybody that hits like. And if you haven't subscribed, please take a second to subscribe. And I would love some kind of engagement. If you don't mind, just put anything in the comments. That surely would help the channel grow and get more attention and reach more people. Thanks to each and every one of you. I love you. I'm praying for you. I hope everybody has a great day and a great weekend. See you next time.